Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to our this series of videos in which we are showing you that how you can use VBA to develop your dashboard in which you have a front end on Microsoft Excel and you have backend. In the backend, you have Microsoft Access, and mm, for transmitting the reports to the users, we are using Microsoft Outlook. So, three or four applications being used, and it's a wonderful experience. That in previous video we showed you how quickly you can uh, mm, write the code using the Google's AI help. They guide you, they give you the sample code. Just copy and paste that into your module and run it. So it and does most of the things. Only a slight bit of changes are required, and that's it. And that's what we did. Uh, In previous video, we showed you that we clear all these things. We moved all the items from inbox and sendbox, etc., to the archive, and we created a new folder in the inbox. This is the folder which we will be looking into. We will be watching. The system will watch this folder if there is any new item coming. So it's going to read the item and determine what is required. So the needful will be done automatically by the program, and no need of any human intervention. So the it is all done automatically. As soon as an email comes, the system should. So we are. This is our target, which we are talking about. That we want to achieve, take you to step by step to that stage when an email will come, and it will directly come to your target folder. And as soon as an item is entered in this uh, target folder, then the system will pick the information and determine what is required, and it will run the report or run the process and then generate the report and email it back to the recipient, the sender of the email. So this is uh, we shown you that in our previous video. We used this code. This was the code, and this is the we reached to this code by just typing VBA, loading Outlook folders, etc. Right? So the AI gets activated, and it took you directly where you want to be. And this is the sample code, and we have already used this one sample code, so we don't have to take this entire code into our application. Only this highlighted command would be enough for us, right? Set OL specific folder is equal to inbox, because this is the folder which we have created. So not my subfolder. Its name is here. This is the name of this. So we take you to the Excel part, and this is where this was our the code which we showed you in our previous video. Only this change has been imported in here, that we are setting a variable OL specific folder, and here OBJ input inbox has already been named spaced for to get the items in the Outlook folder, right? So within this inbox, we have created this folder. So we have pasted the name of that folder in here, and that's it. So instead of previously it was getting the inbox detail, this time it is going to the inbox and then going to the subfolder and then checking that how many items are there in the desired folder, right? So when we run it, so this returns you the message that you have 3 items in your folder, and that's exactly what it is. These 3 items are here. Okay, so since you are able to not only count this, you to set all these things in place, now it's a time that we proceed to the next stage, in which we will keep a watch on any incoming item, and it will determine what to do itself and run it, and do it. So this is uh, how we do this means only this change is done, otherwise previous code was remain intact. It is exactly. So just a brief explanation of this code is that uh, the you need to dim means declaring. You are declaring these variables, outlook one for outlook, one for namespace, that is for the folders, and the third is the inbox outlook folder, right? That is the folders, that is the namespace, and so that's all you need at the moment. So the first thing is that mm, you you check uh, you set the Outlook object, right? By getting a get object Outlook application. Well, it will be instantly. If it is not running, it will create it and it will make it ready. Otherwise, it will cause an error, but that error will be suppressed because we have used it on error resume. Means do not do anything. It means the Outlook is already there. Okay. The next is object namespace. So namespace is used to because all the subsequent folders and items and objects of Outlook need to have as a namespace declared. So namespace declaration and initialization is done like this. The next is you set the inbox, right? This is the everything for inbox, right? Namespace, whatever is your namespace dot get object default folder, and that is Outlook folder inbox, right? So our Outlook folder inbox is there. Uh, yeah, this is means the all the contents of will be contained in this object, and the Outlook specific folder, which is a subfolder of the inbox folder. So that's and the name of the folder is to be written exactly here. So so this is going to be used to work further item by item, and the actions will be taken on each item, and once it is done, so that item will be removed as well. Okay, so there have to be some item that from that specific folder, the item once it has served its purpose, so that it is moved, so that you do not do it again and again, and otherwise the emails recipients will be annoyed that they are again and again receiving the once an action has been taken, an email has been generated, then the item should be moved or be recorded so that before taking any action, it should tell the system that whether the action is required or already taken. So this will be determined automatically. Okay, so inshallah, in the next video, we are going to move a step forward for the further enhancement of the system. So stay in touch with us, and stay tuned to our channel. And thank you very much for supporting our channel. Thank you very much.